Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited about today's video. It's another Harry Potter video. Specifically, I'm doing 9 different projects, each that you can make using construction paper. I had the idea to do this. Recently I did like a super packed, I think it was like $21 crafts all in one video, all Harry Potter, and you guys loved it. It is my most watched video here on my channel, and so I thought let's bring some more ideas to you guys. I wanted to do them all using construction paper because I wanted to show you that you can do these crafts really inexpensive. This is great if you've got maybe a child's birthday party coming up and you need a bunch of favors. Maybe you need a project for the kids to do at the party, you need decorations. This is how you can get all that stuff. You're not going to break the bank. In fact, I made all of these crafts using one pack of construction paper that I got at the Dollar Tree. So I spent $1 and I made a ton of stuff. It's all mostly construction paper and then things like a little bit of tape, some scissors, some markers, all stuff you're going to have at home. I didn't buy anything extra special for this project. The first thing that I'm going to start with is I'm going to cut out some rectangle shapes out of brown paper. I'm going to get a bunch of those and then you can tape them up on the wall and you get the look of a brick wall. And this isn't going to be just any brick wall. It's a very special brick wall. We're going to make a platform 9 3/4 sign to go with it. I'm using just red construction paper. Cut out a white circle and then on that you're going to write 9 3/4. Of course, that's the platform you go through if you want to take the Hogwarts Express to Hogwarts. And then I'm just going to write Hogwarts Express right at the bottom of the sign. This is sort of mimicking the look of the sign from the movie. You get that same look for really inexpensive. Put the sign up on your faux brick wall and now you've got a great photo booth backdrop. If you're having a party and you want somewhere to take fun photos, this is the perfect way to do that. To that end, I'm also going to make some photo booth props using the construction paper. I decided to make some house ties. These are really cute for photo booths and they couldn't be simpler to make. Just cut out that basic tie shape, really simple. I'm not even tracing it out. I'm freehanding it with my scissors and I made one in each color for the 4 houses. Then just add some stripes using a marker. Of course, those ties are always striped. And I'm going to use some cardboard straws as my little handles for the props. I already had them. I've done this before. I find cardboard straws make really great photo booth prop handles, and I'm just taping them right on and that's all you have to it. So set this in a bucket in front of your 9 3/4 platform wall and you're ready to go. The next thing I'm going to make is a Hogwarts letter. You need this, of course, if you're a Harry Potter fan, and it's so easy to make using some white construction paper. I'm just cutting out a square shape. That's all you need to make sort of an envelope, and then I'm folding in the points to the center. Along 2 of the sides, I'm going to attach them with some tape so I get that pocket of the envelope. And the top, I'm just folding over as the top flap of the envelope. I'm going to write out my address on the front using a green marker because, of course, letters from Hogwarts are always written in green ink. I'm doing Harry Potter's address here, but you can make this customized for your child. Write their name and then write in where they live in your home. So, of course, Harry lived in the cupboard under the stairs. That's where his letter was addressed to, but you can write in wherever your child is, so maybe second bedroom to the left of the bathroom, whatever makes sense for your family. And then I'm going to make a little red wax seal. Just cut out a little blob shape from some red construction paper, draw on a little H and attach that on the back, and you have a really simple Hogwarts letter. Kids can make this. You could even put an actual letter inside the envelope. Super cute. The next thing I'm going to make is a howler. This is, of course, the angry letter that Mrs. Weasley sent to Ron when he was being naughty at Hogwarts. You can make this simply by cutting out a long strip of red construction paper, and then you want a strip of white construction paper about the same size. I'm folding in 2 sides of the paper, put the white on top of the red, and then you're going to fold them in almost like you're getting 3 sides of a square. And then you're going to attach the white paper inside the red. I used a little bit of tape for this. It doesn't need to be attached all the way around. It can be a little loose. And then I'm folding in about 1/2 inch of that white paper on each end and cutting in some teeth. Just do sort of some triangle shapes along each end, and you get this row of teeth that the angry howler has. I'm going to add a long strip of red construction paper for a tongue. I'm gonna cut sort of a serpent's tongue at the end. It's like a triangle, cut out a triangle, and then attach the tongue inside the howler with a little bit of tape, and it's perfect. I'm leaving it like this. It's a great little prop if you needed a decoration for a party, but you could even write something inside there if you had a letter that you wanted to send to somebody. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a bunch of candles. We're gonna get the look of the Great Dining Hall at Hogwarts. I'm cutting out some long, skinny, white rectangles. You need a bunch, and then I'm gonna cut out some little teardrop shapes out of yellow paper. These are gonna be our flames. Cut out a bunch of those, and then I'm just attaching it with a little bit of tape, and then you're gonna hang them from the ceiling. I'm using dental floss here, but you could use whatever works for you. Thread, yarn, whatever you had. Cut out some strips of that string, attach it to the candle, and then tape the candle up. This would be great, like I said, in a dining room. If you're having a Harry Potter meal, you could put this in an entryway in your home. Really, really festive. I'm gonna do something similar and cut out a bunch of key shapes. I'm gonna have flying keys. This was seen in the first book when Harry and Hermione were trying to get through to their next challenge in search of the Sorcerer's Stone. There was a room where they had all of these flying keys. They had to find the right key to unlock the next door. So I just cut out a bunch of key shapes using black construction paper, and then again I'm going to use some of that string. I'm going to tape it up onto the ceiling. Really, really easy, super fun. Next, I'm gonna make some pennant sign. Pennant flags are those like triangle flags that you see at football games, soccer games. I'm gonna make them for the 4 houses. Use the appropriate color for the house pennant you wanna make. I'm actually gonna do 2 colors for each flag. I want a little bit of depth. It makes a really nice dimension there. So cut out your long skinny triangles, tape your 2 layers of color together, and then just write your house right on there. I think this looks cute grouped together, so I've got 2 going on. Really, really easy. This is something that would be super fun for kids to get involved with. What's not to like? I'm also going to do some really simple bookmarks. Bookmarks are great if you need a favor for a party or an activity for kids to make at the party. I'm just cutting out some strips of the construction paper, and then to one end I'm cutting sort of a triangle shape. I'm making this look like the house ties, and then I'm going to add some stripes just using a marker. I'm writing the house that I want on that bookmark right across it, and then there you go. Let kids make whatever color works for the house that they like. This is something they can take home if they're at your house and visiting for a party. Really, really inexpensive and super cute. And so that is it. These were really, really quick and easy to make. Like I said, I spent $1 for the whole package of paper, so I got a ton of stuff out of it. Let me know in the comments below if you plan to try any of these, if your kids are into Harry Potter, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it so I know to make more videos like this. I'm gonna put a link below to the previous Harry Potter craft video that I made. Make sure to check that out and hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. I do really, really easy projects every single week. I'll see you guys next time.